I've shot this intro way too many times. Hello guys, Mehdi here and welcome to this video. So today is one of the first days we actually got some sun around here in the south of France. And I thought to myself I didn't take some pictures in quite a while. So I thought, you know what, let's go to Monaco, try to find some cool cars and take some pictures. I'm gonna strap the GoPro and do some POV style shots. And yeah, let's go do it. For today's shoot we're gonna rock the 18-50 f2.8, which is, if it focuses right here, which is the Sigma lens, and I've taken a lot of pictures with it, like these ones, and I think it's a very versatile lens, and I'm using it on a ZVE10 which I'm recording on right now. Yeah, it's cool. It's a very cool camera, and APS-C, so this will be equivalent to around 27 to 100 millimeters. So yeah, really cool lens. Let's go try it on. Alright, so we just got to Monaco. I put on my GoPro and we're gonna start to shoot. Let's hope we find some good cars.
Mais après, je sais pas, je ne vois pas qui c'est parce que c'est le client.
Pardon.
Non, pas de mal. Merci. No, I didn't. Davanti tu non vedi, guarda, sembra di guardare il tuo riflesso, guarda quello che faccio. Davanti tu.
Alright, so this was the end of this little photography session. Yeah, I wasn't there for too long. I stayed for about 30 to 40 minutes, then I had to go home to do some work. So I think we got some pretty good pictures, even though I didn't stay for that long. And comment down below what you thought of the pictures, and if you want any tutorial on how I edit them, same comment down below. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Till next time. Ciao.